Hello world, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to CodingScientist.com. We are learning about artificial intelligence and robotics using NVIDIA Jetson Nano and JetBot Kit. Alright guys, let's take a look at it where we are. We are on lesson number 33, and this lesson is about, I'm going to just give you a high level introduction about road following neural network. So we have a couple of programs being designed within your JetBot operating system, which we burnt and put it inside the Jetson Nano, and I'm going to walk you through to navigate those sections and how to start training your JetBot to follow the road and do a lot of other magics. Alright guys, so let's take a look at it. I'm going to log into my Jetson Nano JetBot. There you go. 192.168. Alright, this is my IP address and your IP address might be different, totally different. So do not follow this exactly what I'm doing. You got to make a note of your IP address and put it right there. Alright, now let's move on to, let me open JetBot and then go to notebooks, double click, and let's go to road following. So basically guys, in road following there are a couple of things, right? So it's almost the same like the collision avoidance. What we did, we grabbed the data through JetBot. I also showed you how to build a custom data using your cell phone, click images, collect those data, compile those binaries, and then we train those data using ResNet 18 neural network, and then deploy those trained batch files into the JetBot, and then we start capturing the frames, and your network, the neural network works fantastic, right? So it's almost on the similar direction we are going to do for road following, except what we are going to do is data collection using gamepad. So that means you will be using the joystick, the PS3 controller which you got along with your kit. So what we are going to do is once the system is set up and configured for road following, your JetBot will be positioned manually in a particular okay, before I talk about it guys, you might want to set up a kind of road kind of environment at your home, right? So typically, what I'm thinking of doing is take a black color tape, insulation tape with a white board at the bottom, or even on the white on the floor, on your tiles on the floor. Put those tapes like a road, right? Like a tar road, which looks like a tar road, right? Maybe 3 different grids like this, and in the center you can put dots kind of thing. So that it looks like a road, and make sure that you have sufficient width, right? At least of slightly, probably about 1 inch larger than the JetBot measurement. Okay, so you can custom build your own road, and then we are going to keep the JetBot on top of the road, and using this joystick, right? Using these controllers, the joystick controllers, we are going to set the position of the camera in such a way that you can see an arrow mark and start clicking the picture. You will click a picture and then that will get stored. So that's what we are going to do in this particular series. All right, and once the data collection using the gamepad is done, we will put that into the train model, right? So this is where we are going to train. It's almost the same kind of thing what we did in collision avoidance, and then take the data back and deploy that into the live demo section. This is the live demo code where we will basically take the data and take the trained model and put that back into the JetBot. So once that is done, we are going to see how the bot is going to move, just follow on the road. We can also actually build traffic signs like red, yellow, green, the traffic signal, probably some small little toys you can buy, it's available in the market, or maybe you can handcraft at home with some stickers sticking around like a traffic signal. So we can take pictures of red, green, yellow, where if there is a green symbol, the bot can move on the road. If there is a red symbol, the JetBot can stop, right? So all those things is possible, and I am going to show you one by one how to do it. It's pretty easy guys. I mean, if you are comfortable with collision avoidance, then I think this is pretty simple and easy. Nothing to worry about it. It's going to be really interesting. I would suggest go through this all the explanation of the core, and also the Word document manual which I prepared with each and every steps I have documented. It takes a lot of time to document these steps, but I have done it, and you can just refer to this manual, go through this one by one, and I will be back soon in the next video. We will start building the road following network and start training the neural network to make sure that our JetBot accurately follows the road. All right, goodbye until then, see you.